The spirits of the forest are waking.
The river is restless today, Elder. The panther has been spotted near the banks.
Secure the nets. The current is pulling hard.
Ancient ones, hear the heartbeat of the forest.
May the river guide our path, and the forest hide our tracks.
The light will show the way through the spirit's breath.
Steady! Hold the line!
Follow us, shadow of the trees.
We have arrived. The spirits are silent now.
The ground is soft here, Elder. Watch your step.
Not for you, little one. This is for the ancestors.
The message is received. We return to the canopy.
Peace remains for now.
The shadow returns to the roots. Our bond is sealed.
We have returned. Signal the heights.
The ritual is done. The man remains.
The fish is good tonight.
Yes, very tender.
Rest now. The forest will remember this day.
The sun returns to find us safe.
The river was generous last night, despite the shadow.
The black shadow followed us home. It stays near the roots, watching.
We must secure the descent before the sun reaches its peak.
The forest holds its breath. We wait for the shadows to lengthen.
The heat is a heavy blanket today.
Something stirs by the water.
Stay close. The forest is watching.
The net has been torn. This was no ordinary animal.
A sign from the spirits. The river has spoken.
The shadow is here. It wants what the river has given us.
We must mend this before the next moon.
You were fast to hide, little one.
The shadow has the gift. The river is calm once more. Sleep now, for the forest is at peace. The stars are bright tonight. A good omen for the hunt tomorrow.
Sleep well, children of the trees. The spirits have taken the watch.